Sa dressing room pa lang, tensyonado na ang lahat.
Excited ako pero syempre medyo kinakabahan kasi ito na yun matatapos talaga. This is it.
Finally, we're at the end of Survivor. But I'm just sad at the same time that it's over because I'll miss everyone.
Sobrang nakakaba, sobrang nakatakot. Sana hindi ng juries yung garo lang. Hindi yung...
Now I'm quite okay, pero I for sure in this stage I'll be very nervous and excited.
Pagkatapos ng 3 buwan, tila handa ng ikasa ng jury ang kanilang mga boto.
Nakabahan ako, ikaw. Okay lang, pero ano na, ready na ako.
Sobrang kinakabahan ako kasi inaantay ko yung twist, baka kasi ako yung ipapalit nila.
Meron na akong i-vote. Tapos, kasi hindi namin alam yung magiging twist nga mamaya. Pagka pala mananalo lahat ng it's live.
Nakita ko, talagang deserving talaga siya.
Nakakaba, pero syempre, ito na ang huli. Ito na ang huling araw ng Survivor Philippines. So, yun, sayang na, wala na kang 3 milyon.
Patuloy naman ang pagdagsa ng mga manunood. At ang fans, kabado kung sino ang ikapitong miyembro ng jury. At syempre, ang mananalo sa natitirang castaways bilang kauna-unahang Celebrity Soul Survivor.
Confident kami mananalo si Aubrey. Magaling siya maglaro. Down to earth siya, tapos yeah, magaling siya and meron siya sariling strategy.
Alam po namin na kaya niya naman po yung mga challenges sa isla. Tsaka maganda po yung naging strategy nila.
Nang magsimula na ang palabas,
Ngayong gabi, malalaman na natin ang resulta. Ito na ang inaabangan ng buong Pilipinas. Sabay-sabay natin malalaman kung sino ang kauna-unahang Celebrity Soul Survivor. Ang Mr. Nice Guy na tinawag ding Mr. Bad Guy, Akihiro Sato. Ang matinik sa laro pero tinawag na pasimuno, Aubrey Miles. Ang power player at maaasahang kaalyansa pero tinawag din na patugan, Ervic Vihandre. At ang diwata ng isla pero doble kara raw, Solen Yusat. Kayo mga kapuso, sino sa tingin nyo ang mananalo?
pagtungtong pa lang sa entablado ng Final Four, kabi-kabilang cheer na ang dumagungdong.
At ang kauna-unahang Celebrity Soul Survivor ay si
Si Mr. Nice Guy na si Akihiro Sato ang itinanghal na panalo sa season na ito.
So, pagkatapos yung Survivor, I don't know, I still, this feeling, I don't have words, I still don't have words to say, you know.
Take a walk in your shoes and lay down. Don't tell me you're not till you're nothing to do. My heart's on fire from all your lies.
Hello guys! Actually, I went to my house and my friend was here, all of them waiting for me. I feel so good. My friend was not here, but I have a lot of friends support me. So, and my girlfriend, she's the one always beside me and protect me.
Kinabukasan, binisita namin ang ating Soul Survivor sa kanyang unang araw bilang isang milyonaryo.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to my house. Please come in. First thing I would do, always go to computer and chat with my family. Kasi ibang the time is different in Brazil. Não tem vídeo aí? Não tá funcionando o vídeo? Caralho, até você já tô aí.
É nóis, pô! Nem dormiu hoje, né, Big Brother?
This is my sister, this is my father, and this is my mom, and this is my brother. This morning I was, okay, it's true I won or not. I still realize I won Survivor, so I went this morning to tell my parents in Brazil I won the Survivor. Pedro Bial. When I saw my brother kanina, like I feel like because I don't know, you know, in front of the camera, and then I know people will watch this, we will see. So I see people like shine, and I don't know. I try to keep like not to. Sometimes I feel I want to cry because they are so far, and then this big moment in my life they are supposed to be together. Pero okay naman. Like I miss all of them. Most of the time we painting. From the very start of my life, I learned a lot with my brother to appreciate more life, to respect people, to give a chance and help the others. So he's the one forever will take care of. I have to take care of him. I want people to know about me, about my life, who I am, so people can know more about myself. Confused because like until now, like for me my life is the same, diba? I still do the same things I'm doing during the day. Pero today I still catch this. I want the survivors. Masaya, chika, excited to really. I don't know. Like I have a lot of things I want to buy a car. I want to do my business. So this is what I think right now. So now we are going to 8 Bulaga. This is about Survivor, so I just wanted to Now we just finished it. Pagkatapos dito sa Itbulaga, pupunta ako sa Star Talk.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first celebrity show survivor, Akihiro Sato. Congratulations! Why you?
Pa lang po. Kasi masipag ako sa isla doon. We finish here, Star Talk. Now we're going to Cherapuna.
Kahapon, I had a taping for Ayamani Lola sa Bulacan. We stopped the taping para manood ng show, ng finals. We finally found out that Aki was yung panalo. Then everybody like, sobrang masaya-saya, and of course, like really happy for him. My message to Aki is I'm really proud of him as a friend speaking. He really deserved the title of a celebrity survivor. Just keep being this amazing person that he is, this amazing friend, this super mabait person. And yeah, definitely my best friend here in the Philippines. Yung manalo Survivor Celebrity!
Today was really tired day. My last place I want to go, and then give my thoughts to go to the church today. My first day, and pray and thank you for Lord. So, yan lang. Didn't expect to win, really, talaga. Survivor affect a lot, like people recognize me more in the street. Like I walk, Survivor, a hero. And the good thing, Survivor give me opportunity to show to the people I'm a real nice guy. I learned in Survivor a lot of things, like appreciate more life. You know, I give you vows to the small things you have can be a big thing. So, yun lang. Thank you for Survivor.
Siguradong tumatak ang katauhan ng castaway sa inyong mga puso. Naging bahagi kayo ng bawat yugto. Nakaramdam ng lungkot, tuwa, at nakisapi sa bawat alyansang nabuo. Kaya naman ang tagumpay ng programang ito ay alay namin sa inyo, mga kapuso. Ako po si Richard Gutierrez at ito ang Survivor Philippines, The Final Showdown. Hanggang sa muling pautakan, pagalingan, at patatagan. May the good spirits protect all of you. Bon Raksa.